Hey, how's it going? This is Ari here, here to talk about Amazon's affiliate program, otherwise known as Amazon Associates. Now, if you're watching this video, it probably means you're doing a bit of research on YouTube about, Amazon's affiliate program, and you're wondering how to get into it and whether or not it's worth it. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my overall opinion as to whether or not you should promote products off of Amazon. I'm going to be going over the pros and cons, and then I will give my number one recommendation on what you should do if you are completely brand new to affiliate marketing. So anyways, Amazon's affiliate program can be accessed through, if you go to the Amazon website, their main page, and you scroll down to the bottom, there is a section here that says Make Money with Us. And if you scroll down here, there is an option that says Become an Affiliate. Now, when you click on this, you're going to get this page. This is where you could sign up to be an affiliate for Amazon. And it says earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. So you could join for free, and it'll ask you some very basic information like, do you have a website? What is it you're planning to promote? The niche that you're getting into. How do you plan on promoting our products? All that type of stuff. Very basic information. Once you get that all filled out, they should approve you. In some cases, I hear that they don't approve certain people, but if that ever happens, you could always just sign up again at any time. But anyways, once you get signed up for Amazon, you could pretty much promote any products that you want off of Amazon's affiliate program. So the nice thing about promoting off of Amazon is, well, for one, it's a very huge, well-known e-commerce site. In fact, it's probably like, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, companies in the world. Um, but then also, there's a huge variety in terms of what you could actually promote on here. So, I mean, if you are building like, say like a niche website about, like a particular topic, or maybe you had like a YouTube channel that's dedicated towards, something in particular, you could pretty much be an affiliate for Amazon and you could promote products off the niche that you are in. So for instance, let's say you had you know, a YouTube channel about, say home garden tools. Well, you could pretty much go through here and then um, you could pretty much promote, stuff that is, related to like garden and outdoor. So any of these products that you see here can pretty much be promoted. And when you refer someone to purchase one of these products, you will earn part of the commission. Now, as I mentioned, the commission rate is kind of low. Um, Earn up to 10% advertising fees. That's actually at the very highest that you could earn. Oftentimes, when you're first starting out, they'll start you with as like a 5 to 6%. So the downside to this is that the earning potential can be very low, especially if you are just starting out. Um, that is the major downside to it. But the thing from what I understand, if someone clicks on your affiliate link to go to a specific product, not only if do you get the commission if they purchase that product, but if that person decides to purchase anything else off of Amazon, as long as they click through your link and they went through your specific link, you will pretty much earn a commission off of it. So this is really good because with Amazon, as I mentioned, it's a very well-known, um, marketplace, and people they go to Amazon pretty much on a daily basis. I mean, they're making hundreds of thousands of sales, every single day. And Amazon is just one of those brands where it's just like people just cannot seem to stay away from. People that go on Amazon and they almost just cannot resist the urge to buy something. So in that case, it's very easy for you to, start generating sales, when you are completely brand new. Um, However, as I mentioned, the downside is that if you are first starting out, you may not want to fully rely on a platform like Amazon because, you know, ultimately your goal when you're first starting out should be to create a full-time income online. I mean, I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're probably looking to create a full-time income online. you're looking to not just dabble in affiliate marketing and do it like a little bit, but you really want to do this as a full-time profession. That's my that's what I'm assuming. And if that's the case, I wouldn't recommend that you start with just Amazon Associates. Now, you can add a few products here, to your arsenal later on that, you want to promote off of here, but I would definitely recommend that you first and foremost look for something that's going to not only help you earn bigger commissions, but products that will, help you learn how to do affiliate marketing properly, how to start building a sustainable business online where you could pretty much, you know that it will, help you create consistent income online, that will help you to live the life of your dreams. That's what I recommend you start with. And in my case, the thing that happened to me actually is when I first got started with, affiliate marketing. One of the first things I did was I built a blog, and this is probably like the biggest mistake I made. Within my entire first year, my main focus was Amazon Associates. In fact, I actually had a website. This is what I worked on pretty much my entire first year. It was like this gaming site that I was uh, building, and pretty much what I was doing was I was working on these game reviews. So I would write these game reviews, and I would, have links to where people can, when they click on it, they would go to, you know, Amazon.com and they could choose to buy the product if they want to. So as I mentioned, it is a very well-known platform, and if you're just starting out, it can be a great way to to start getting into affiliate marketing, as you could, promote products that you are passionate about, and also people will, when they go to Amazon, they'll know that, they are buying from a legit company. So that is the positive, the benefit to this. But the thing is like if you are, say, especially going into a niche where products are generally ranging from, less than $100. Unless if you're able to make, hundreds of sales daily, you're really not gonna make a good income off of Amazon. That's just my personal opinion. I don't feel like it's a great way to really start off with. I think the best way to really get started in affiliate marketing is to actually start with something that is rather high ticket, or something that could at least, give you majority of the commission, like 50% or higher. And I'll actually show a few sites that you could, get started with. So one other, or no, not ClickMagick, ClickBank. So one other affiliate marketplace is a site known as ClickBank. These guys mainly have digital products. So this is all in the form of like, digital stuff that you could promote. And because they are digital products, oftentimes they pay much higher commission rates. So I'll actually, what I'll do here is I'll go to Affiliate Marketplace. And what you could do is you could actually, they have tons of different niches here. So like, let's say I promote something in like, say like the business industry, right? I go in here, and just for, this product right here, high quality FX launch, Fibo Quantum Scalper, Insane Conversions. So for each person that I refer to buy this specific product, I could earn, on average, $109.52. So you'll notice the commission rates on other sites like, ClickBank that, have mostly digital products, they pay much higher commission rates. And like this one here, Forex Trendy, the real solution FX traders want. This pays on average about $200 per sale, which is really good if you can get, sales like that consistently. So that's one other marketplace you could use. There's another one called jvzoo.com. These guys are similar to ClickBank. They also pay out, about 50% commission and higher. Really depends on the actual vendor that's on the site. That's another site that I recommend checking out. But if you are looking to, learn how to do affiliate marketing, and you want to build a sustainable business online where you could actually, potentially make a full-time income or more, what I actually recommend is you check out the link in the description. That's going to give you access to my #1 recommended program for making income online through affiliate marketing. And I'll even show you the program. It's called 4%.com. Now these guys, they have a very similar structure to ClickBank. It's mostly, products that are, they're all digital products. And they have, it's like a pretty much like a marketplace, but specifically for entrepreneurs. And that's the thing I really like about this is it's not just, just another training program, but they have tons of other products that you could really go into. So I'll even show you inside of the program. And their main flagship product is the Challenge, which you could check out in the description below. I'll have a link to it. But if I go into programs here and I go into all programs, you'll see that there is a huge variety in terms of different products that you could actually promote. So they got products related to traffic generation. They got SEO stuff. They got Facebook training. They have, of course, the challenge itself. They have their own website builder called eStage, which is a really good way to build a website. List building strategies, whole bunch of stuff that you could learn here. Wealth building blueprint, a whole bunch of things that you could really learn, just on this one platform alone. So it's a really good place to be if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing. I've been into a lot of programs over the years, a lot of different training programs, but in my personal opinion, I feel like there is absolutely nothing out there that compares to the training that 4% offers. So if you're interested in learning more about what this could offer you in terms of, learning to build a sustainable business online, you can go in the description and then you could check out the free webinar that they will be hosting soon. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you got value out of this video. And if you did, be sure to let me know what you thought in the comments section below. And yeah, share this with anyone you feel could benefit, and take care.